Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create mail merge documents. First of all, what is mail merge? Mail merge lets you create a batch of documents that are personalized for each recipient. For example, your monthly electricity bills, invoices, registration forms of different universities, colleges and schools, curricular and extracurricular certificates, letters, etc. Now what do you need to create mail merge? First of all, we need a source data. It is the list of names, addresses, and other information of the recipients. You can keep your data in an Excel file, or you can also use Outlook contacts. Secondly, we need a generic format or a template. It contains the text that will be sent or that is common for all recipients. We can create such a document easily in MS Word. Third thing are the final letters created by mail merge. These are basically the individualized letters or documents for each recipient. Okay, now let's start. I have already created an Excel file containing all the data of my recipients. This is basically O-level registration data. Here are my sections, grades and sections, student names. This is just a fake data for demonstration purposes only. Date of birth of the students, pictures of the students, national ID cards, ID expiry date, different subjects, option code of the subject, subject name, subject fee, and finally the parent or the guardian information. You can easily create such file in MS Excel. The only thing I want to demonstrate here is how to add a picture. Actually, there is a special format in which you have to add the picture so that it can appear in your mail merge document. We will copy the path of the picture and we will paste in the Excel cell. My pictures are in this folder. Just right click and click on copy as path. Go to your Excel worksheet, click in the cell, click on paste from the clipboard group or press Ctrl V from the keyboard. We will paste another picture. Go to the pictures folder. Right click the picture, click on copy as path and paste it in the Excel file. Now these slashes we have to replace with double slash. Only then it will appear in the mail merge document. So we will select all these picture files. Home tab, editing group, we will click on the find and select button, then click on replace. Now find what we have to replace. We have to replace the single slash, and in the replace with box we will type double slash because we have to replace all the single slashes by double slashes. Click on replace all, click OK, close. Now you can see all the single slashes are replaced with double slashes. Now the data file is ready. Close the data file. Now I will open my MS Word template. I have already created a template. I have typed this template in MS Word. Now we will link it with the Excel data file. Click on the Mailings tab and then click on Select Recipient. Type a new list. If we click on this, it will give us option to type a new list. Use an existing list. If you have already created a list, you will use this option, or choose from Outlook contacts. You can choose the contacts information from your Outlook also. I will use the second option, use an existing list. Now choose your Excel file, go to the location where your Excel file is saved. My Excel file is saved in this folder, B2B option codes. Click open. My Excel file contains more than one worksheet, so I will choose the worksheet which contains the data that I have to link with this Word document. Click on OK. My Excel file is linked. Now next we have to insert the merge field. Student first name. Now instead of in front of student first name, the first name should appear. So we will click, and then in the mailings tab, insert merge field. We will click on insert merge field. It will show all the column headings or fields of the data from the Excel file. So click on first name. In front of last name, we will insert the last name field, date of birth. Similarly, we will add data for ID type, for the guardian information. We have added data for the ID and the guardian information. Now we will add the subjects. Click in the subject name field. Click in the insert merge field drop down menu and choose the subject name. Subject name 1. Option code we will choose next. Option code 1. And now we will choose the fee. Subject 1 fee. Similarly, we will add data for the second subject and so on. We have added all the subjects. Now we have to sum up this fee. We want the total of the fee to appear here in this column. This feature is very useful for creating invoices because we have to sum up the price in the invoices. We all know how to sum up data in Excel. Now we will see how to sum up data in or values in MS Word document. Click in the field where you want your total to appear. Then under the table tools, click on the layout tab and click on this FX or formula button. The sum formula is already appearing. If it is not appearing, you can type it like this: equal sign sum small bracket. We want to sum the data that is above. So we will type here above. Click on OK. Now the sum is appearing. Here it is important to note that if there is any empty cell in between, then it will not sum up correctly. So if there is an empty cell, just put a 0 there. Now we will see how to add a picture in a document, in a mail merge document. This is very important. So watch very carefully how to insert a picture in a mail merge document. Click inside the text box. Now press Ctrl F9 from your keyboard. I will write also, but you will press Ctrl and F9 key you will press. These curly brackets will appear. Here you will write include picture. Include picture. Then start double quotation, close double quotation. Now move your cursor inside the double quotation marks. Here you will insert your merge field. Click on the mailings tab. In the insert merge field, click on the picture field, student picture. The command has disappeared, but no problem, it is present at the background. Now we have completed our merging. Now we can display the individual letters. Before displaying individual letters, I want to show you one more feature, like how you can apply filter on the data. You will click on edit recipient list. I have many sections, but I want to print it according to one section, like I want to print it section wise. So what I will do is I will filter it according to the sections. I will choose 11 red. You can also apply filter from this filter button. If you click on filter, this will open. You can apply filter on any field. Like you can apply a filter on student first name, and then you can just print all the names that contain double A. So you can apply any filter according to your requirement. I will apply a filter on grade section. It should be equal to, and here I will type one section name. Or you can simply apply filter from the column heading as well. Similarly, you can sort your data. You can sort it ascending or you can sort it descending. Click OK. Now to display individual letters, click on this Finish Merge button. You can edit individual documents. If you want to do any edit before printing the documents, or you want to see the individual documents before printing, click on this option. If you want to send the documents directly to the printer, you can choose this option. Or if you want to send directly to an email, then you can choose this option. I want to see my individual documents before printing, so I will choose this option, edit individual documents. We can print all. You can also print the current record, or you can give any number of records, like I want to print from 1 to 50. So you can choose any one, but I will print all because I am printing section wise. For one class and section, I am printing all documents. Click on OK. Now you can see the individual documents are printed. For Ali, you can see his national ID card number, guardian information, the subjects he has chosen, and even the fee details, and some of the fee is coming. Similarly, for Ahmad, all the information is displayed correctly. Subjects, subject total, everything is coming. For Shahir, for the next student. So like this, it is printed for all the documents. All the information is printed correctly, but only the picture is not appearing. For showing the picture, we have to click inside the text box, and then we have to press F9 from the keyboard. When you will press F9, the picture will appear inside the text box. Similarly, you will click inside each picture box and you will press F9 from your keyboard. Picture will appear. Press F9 in the inside the text box and picture will appear. So our registration forms are created. I hope you understand everything regarding the mail merge. If you have any questions, please post in the comment box. I will love to answer your questions and make any other video if needed. Thanks for watching.